Imagine a land where the seasons tell stories. In winter, Finland is a wonderland of snow, husky sleds, and glowing northern lights. In summer, the midnight sun fills the sky, making days feel endless. But Finland is more than its stunning landscapes. It's a country where happiness is a way of life. It has been crowned the happiest nation in the world for 6 years straight. What makes it special? A society built on equality, pristine nature, and a deep sense of connection. Here, Finnish women are celebrated for their beauty, confidence, and intelligence. They are raised in a culture that values independence and openness. And the best part? Living in Finland is more affordable than you think. With just $750 a month, you can immerse yourself in its magic. From cozy saunas to serene lakes, Finland offers luxury without the price tag. Ready to explore this Nordic paradise? Let's dive into the heart of Finland together. The beautiful women of Finland and Finnish women are admired worldwide. Their natural beauty, blonde hair, blue eyes, and radiant smiles, is captivating. But it's their intelligence and independence that truly stand out. In Finland, women thrive in a society built on equality. They are highly educated, with over 80% holding university degrees. Many speak 3 or more languages, reflecting their global perspective. Relationships in Finland are refreshingly modern. Partnerships are based on mutual respect and shared values. Forget outdated gender roles. Here, equality is at the core of every connection. Finnish women value sincerity and authenticity. They don't need grand gestures, they appreciate honesty and openness. This makes dating in Finland unique and deeply fulfilling. Interestingly, Finland has one of the highest ratios of single women. This creates opportunities for meaningful relationships, both online and in person. Whether you meet someone at a Helsinki cafe or through a dating app, connections feel genuine. If you're seeking someone who embodies beauty, intelligence, and strength, Finland is the place to find them. Pristine nature. Finland's natural wonderland. Finland is a sanctuary for nature lovers. It's a country where forests stretch endlessly, and lakes shimmer like mirrors. Winter here feels like stepping into a fairy tale. Picture skiing through snowy trails, snowmobiling across frozen lakes, or witnessing the northern lights. This celestial display of colors lights up the Arctic sky, leaving you in awe. When summer arrives, the midnight sun creates endless days. It's the perfect time to hike, paddle through crystal clear waters, or forage for wild berries. Nature in Finland isn't just something you visit, it's a way of life. Thanks to Everyman's Right, everyone can explore Finland's wilderness freely. You can camp by a serene lake, fish in pristine waters, or wander through ancient forests. For the Finnish people, nature is sacred. It's a source of inspiration, peace, and joy. This respect for the environment is woven into their daily lives. Whether you're seeking adventure or tranquility, Finland's landscapes promise unforgettable experiences. It's a place where the beauty of nature meets the serenity of the soul. Affordable living. Experience Finland on a budget. Think Finland is expensive? Think again. Despite its high standard of living, Finland is surprisingly affordable. With just $750 a month, you can live comfortably. Housing costs are reasonable, especially outside major cities. In smaller towns, rent starts as low as $400 a month. Even in Helsinki, one-bedroom apartments range from $700 to $1,000. Groceries are fresh and affordable. Local markets offer seasonal produce, vibrant berries, and fresh fish. Cooking at home allows you to enjoy Finnish flavors while keeping costs low. Public transportation is efficient and cost-effective. Monthly passes start at $60, connecting cities, towns, and rural areas. With such a system, owning a car isn't necessary, saving you even more. Even entertainment in Finland often comes at no cost. Explore hiking trails, visit serene lakes, or enjoy outdoor festivals for free. Saunas, a Finnish tradition, are widely accessible and inexpensive. Finland proves you don't need wealth to live well. It's a place where simplicity and quality go hand in hand. Sauna culture, the heart of Finnish life. No trip to Finland is complete without experiencing its world-famous saunas. Saunas are more than just a place to relax, they're a way of life. Finland has over 3 million saunas, more than one for every 2 people in the country. You'll find them everywhere, in homes, offices, lakeside cabins, and even cars. The Finnish sauna experience is deeply rooted in tradition and simplicity. Imagine stepping into a warm, wooden room, the scent of natural wood all around. The heat soothes your body, melting away stress and worries. Then, after the sauna, you step outside into the cool air, or for the brave, plunge into an icy lake. This exhilarating contrast is said to refresh both the body and mind. Saunas in Finland are a communal experience. Families and friends gather to share stories and connect in the warm, peaceful atmosphere. For Finns, the sauna is sacred, a place where everyone is equal, and the outside world fades away. Even visitors can join the tradition. Public saunas, like the famous Loili in Helsinki, offer a modern twist on this ancient practice. Some saunas are set beside serene lakes, letting you dip into crystal-clear waters after your steam. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned sauna enthusiast, Finland's sauna culture will leave you feeling rejuvenated. It's a glimpse into the soul of Finland, a place of balance, simplicity, and warmth. Helsinki, a city of innovation and beauty. Helsinki, Finland's capital, is where modern innovation meets timeless tradition. It's a vibrant hub of culture, sustainability, and creativity. Strolling through Helsinki, you'll notice its unique architecture. Landmarks like the Rock Church, carved into solid stone, blend modern design with nature. The market square buzzes with life, offering fresh seafood, handmade crafts, and lively street performances. During winter, Helsinki transforms into a festive wonderland. Twinkling lights adorn the streets, and Christmas markets fill the air with the aroma of warm cinnamon buns. Locals and visitors gather to skate on ice rinks or enjoy cozy cafes serving steaming hot drinks. In summer, the city comes alive with outdoor events. The midnight sun bathes Helsinki in golden light, perfect for waterfront picnics or exploring lush parks. You can hop on a ferry to the Suomenlinna Fortress, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that combines history with breathtaking sea views. Helsinki is also a city of innovation. It leads in sustainability, with eco-friendly public transport and green urban spaces. Its people value quality of life, ensuring the city feels both dynamic and serene. Whether you're exploring its design district, enjoying its culinary delights, or soaking in its vibrant culture, Helsinki is unforgettable. It's a city that embodies Finland's essence, beautiful, forward-thinking, and full of heart. Finland awaits you. Finland is a land of contrasts and harmony. It's a country where pristine nature meets progressive living, and every experience feels authentic. Here, you can lose yourself in endless forests, marvel at the northern lights, or relax by a tranquil lake. You can connect with people who value equality, independence, and genuine relationships. From the beauty of its landscapes to the warmth of its saunas, Finland offers something for everyone. For travelers, Finland is surprisingly accessible. Short-term visits are easy with visa-free entry for many, and the cost of living remains reasonable for such a high-quality destination. For just $750 a month, you can immerse yourself in the charm and simplicity of Finnish life. Finland is more than a place to visit, it's a place to feel alive. It's a country that inspires creativity, peace, and happiness in all who experience it. Are you ready to explore this Nordic paradise? Let us know what excites you most about Finland in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos about the world's most incredible destinations.